Today's video will look at PetroBase Pro's production dashboard. This dashboard evolved from discussions with clients who wanted personnel to be more proactive concerning lost production or downtime. What was created is a very visual and interactive dashboard that is simple to navigate. Along the top, users may toggle between oil and gas or between daily and monthly volumes. We normally load 6 months of daily data. When viewing monthly data, 5 or more years will be presented. To the right are categories that are essentially subsets of your company. The current delta horizontal bar chart located on the left is primary emphasis of the dashboard. In most cases, the current delta compares production from the current week to the previous week. Some clients may use month-over-month comparisons. Production declines are illustrated in red and increases are given in green. Immediately located to the right is the long-term delta chart, which compares the current rate to the 6-month average. We wanted to include the long-term delta to ensure leases don't fall off the radar for prolonged periods of downtime. The production metrics table will list the metrics for the selected subsets and later individual leases when drilled down. The information presented is name, current production or last production date, current rate, previous rate, the current or short-term delta, the long-term average, and the long-term delta. By clicking on the column headings, items may be sorted from A to Z, Z to A, high to low, low to high. The current rate pie chart located in the lower left-hand corner shows the percentage each subset contributes to the total. Immediately to the right is a production plot with colors corresponding to the pie chart. I really like that the scale is not logarithmic and shows true amplitudes. Finally, below the production plot is tabular data, which will take on more significance when we drill down to the lease level. Now that the dashboard pieces have been identified, let's look at their drill down capabilities. By clicking on either production delta, a row in the table, or on the current pie chart, we will drill down to the underlying lease subset. For this demonstration, I will click on the central southwest area. After a moment, the dashboard will refresh with the underlying lease detail. Now we can begin to interact with the dashboard. Noted in the current delta bar chart, the John Henry lease has the largest decline. By clicking on the current delta bar, we will drill down to the individual lease detail. Scrolling down, we will discover the reason of lost production. Well number 1 continues to have engine problems. By clicking back on the pie chart or deltas, we will reveal the underlying leases again. Now let's look at a lease where production is increased week over week. I've selected the Harridan Trust. By the plot, we can see that the lease was down for some time. Comments indicate we had a lean light leak and the well has been returned to production. Final item I'd like to share is the information sheet located in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking the eye will display context and definitions. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have enjoyed this presentation.